as a, I really envy people like Ashish, and since I'm a failed writer, I became a filmmaker because I cannot handle the loneliness of a writer. I mean, as a kid growing up in a small town called Sagar, which was 114 miles away from you, and when Bhopal was a big city for me. I used to sit in a library, and that's where I found my life and my medium. And in the fascinating world of, I have to confess, American fiction, I found stories and I found the world and I found the meaning to my life. And I still say that, what has influenced me most is that fiction which I read sitting alone in the summers in the libraries. And because we were the sons of heads of departments, we had the keys to the library. And that became, it was perhaps not strictly legal, but, all good things. And the other thing I envy Ashish is the kind of good boy making good, because if they talk to my teachers from my school, they wouldn't say the same things about me. So I thought only bad students make good artists, but now, only terrible people make good artists, but he proves things to the contrary. The third thing that I envy about him, that he can write inspirational stuff, because as a rather muddled boy, I write stories about the darkness of human life, and I can't seem to find much inspiration. So I mean, I think people like Ashish are perhaps more important, because for me, narrating these stories that I narrate is that I narrate stories which are, that the world is not the best possible place to be in. But perhaps with Ashish, the children can learn that it can be better. And that kind of inspirational fiction is something that children should read rather than see my films, So I recommend Ashish's books. Yeah. भला गर्दिश फलक की चैन देती है किसे इंशा, गनीमत है कि हम सूरत यहाँ दो चार बैठे हैं. That's why I'm here. That's why Bashir Saab is here. That's why Ashish is here. Thank you so much. I wish him all the best. Thank you, Bhopal.
As we all know, we are here today to celebrate the success of a book written by someone who was born and brought up in Bhopal, but is currently making the world stand on its feet due to his imaginative writing. For the world, he may be Ashish Jaiswal, but for us, he was and will remain Ashish Bhai.
That I can't imagine even sitting beside Sudhir Mishra sir, because I have just one book, and here is a body of work which is revered internationally. When Sudhir sir said, I guess jokingly, that his work is more dark or more grey, I think he's one of the few intellectual directors in current times who can even mention Macbeth or Sagar in the same tone, and he is so well read, and he's an observer of life. His movies are such like we were talking about Dharavi, like what he made, and Slumdog Millionaire. And I said that according to me, Dharavi is more realistic because of the take on the entrepreneurial zeal of a taxi driver rather than all dark. So I think that his movies are very inspiring, and I feel that they are much better, and he has a extensive body of work, and I would say that he was rather very maybe satirical in his speech, as he is in his movies. And Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro, I mean, a cult movie, he co-scripted that, and when I discovered that he co-scripted it, I wanted to ask him that how you came up with these dialogues and this situation and so many things. So I would like to end here by thanking everyone who came here and who you have taken out time, and I really thank. I don't feel that I'm a guest here. I should be part of you, and since it's Bhopal, and I cannot finish this without saying a शेर, so I was thinking of which that one could be. I think ये शेर है मेरे ख्याल से डॉक्टर अल्लामा इकबाल का, तो मैं वो बोलना चाहूँगा क्योंकि मैं अपने आप को से काफ़ी क्लोज पाता हूँ, और मुझे लगता है कि जो भी यंग जवान आँखें उन्हें वो शेर पढ़ना, न सिर्फ पढ़ना चाहिए बल्कि उन्हें दे शुड लिव बाय इट. तो शेर ऐसा है कि तू शाहीन है, परवाज़ है, बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं.